Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Muslim chart, how to tell the status. Lesson 3, we learn, lesson 3 part A, we learn based on the ending sound, how to tell the status. Okay, ending sound and ending combination. So now we're gonna develop this chart based on the learning we already um, acquired in lesson 3 part A. Now part B is continuation of part A. Based on the understanding we develop, we are going to develop a chart to ease to memorize, then develop a chart and memorize it, so we will not forget, like even remembering like oo, an, e, na, this sound. Instead of that, we will remember with the word Muslim. We will develop a chart and then remember, so it will ease our life in future, inshallah. Okay, now we learn u sound or un sound is rafa. That means Muslim or Muslimu, Muslimu or Muslimun. So first word I will go with first un sound, the lammatain sound. Okay, the later on we will learn the different, what is the difference between u and un sound, that we will learn in lesson 4. But I will use only the left side corner, that un, in those sounds, and develop this Muslim chart. Okay, Muslimun, un sound we learn rafa. Musliman, un sound is nasb. Muslimin is in sound is jar. Then we learn Muslimani. Can you remember ani sound is rafa. Muslim Mani, Muslimaini, Aini sound is Nasubojar. I would say Aini twice, because to develop the chart, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, because Aini sound give you Nasubojar. Okay. Then Muslimuna, Una sound is Rafa. Muslimina, Ina sound is Nasubojar. Again Muslimina, Nasubojar. So if you take this chart, if you can visualize this chart, masculine chart. Okay, these all are masculine. All words are masculine words. Okay. So if you visualize this chart, you can see three columns and three rows. So first row represent the Rafa. That means Muslimun, Muslimani, and Muslimuna. Muslimun, Muslimani, and Muslimuna. This is all Rafa. Okay. Second column represent Musliman, Nasib, Muslimaini, Nasib, and um, Mina, Musliman, Muslimaini, Muslimina. This second row represent the Nasub. And third row represent Muslimin, Muslimaini, and Muslimina. That is the representation of Jar. So that's how you need to memorize this chart. Okay. So each row represent first row Rafa, second row Nasub, and third row Jar. And if you take the that is row wise, and column wise, first column represents singular, second column represent pair, that is two, because Arabic has one and two pair as well, and third one represent the plural, that is more than three or more. Okay, so that's how you need to remember this chart, like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, that is singular, Rafa Nasab Jar. Then Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, that is pair, two Muslims, Rafa Nasab Jar. And Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina, Muslimun, that is plural, that entire column is plural, multiple Muslims, more than three or more. And Muslimuna represent Rafa. Muslimina, second Muslimina represent Nasib, and third Muslimina represent Jar. Okay, so same sound. So remember this chart. Tell five times: Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, 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 Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. This chart is so important. That's why I named the lesson as Muslim chart, because if you understand this chart, if you memorize this chart, you can tell the status. Okay, you can tell the status Rafa Nasib Jar. Okay, and second is the same is feminine chart. Okay, so feminine chart, see, it is convert the Muslim into a Muslim male into a Muslim female. It just you have to put that tamrabuta at end, it will convert the gender. Okay, that's why the second chart is feminine chart. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, same sound, same concept. First row is Rafa, second row is Nasib, third row is Jar. First column is singular, second column is pair, and third column is plural. Okay, but Muslim women, earlier one Muslim men, here one Muslim women. Muslimatun mean one Muslim women. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. I don't know whether you have noticed. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. It is like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Same un in sound. There's no difference. Then Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimataini is like Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. Same sound. Ani, Aini, Aini. Same ending sound. But the difference come in when there is a plural Muslim women. That is Muslimuna. Instead of saying Muslimatuna, it is changing now. It is saying Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. That is the only where the change come. So you need to mainly remember that when the Muslim women are in plural, it is Atun, Atin, Atin sound. Muslimatin, Atin, Muslimatun, Atin, Atin, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin sound. So that's the only tiny difference. Okay, so the third chart is their broken plural chart. Okay, that we will learn in detail when we learning the plural. That we are saying ism has four properties, like uh, one is status, then number. When we learn number, we will learn what is this broken plural and all. It's too early to explain it, the concept here. And also hope you remember when we in part A we learn not only Muslimun, we also learn Muslimu sound. Okay, that also I will explain in lesson 4. That is part of lesson 4. That Muslim, or not only Muslimun is Rafa. Here Muslimun is Rafa, but we learn that Muslimu also Rafa, but it is not in this chart. There's another chart we will learn in lesson 4. So that will give you why it is un and u sound is happening. Okay, that also we learn later. So at the moment you have to memorize this chart: Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina, Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimataini, Muslimatain, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Please memorize these two charts. This is the first memorization and most important memorization. Just tell these words 5 times or 10 times these two charts, you will memorize, inshallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it, this is so easy, you will memorize it. So if you cannot memorize, at least keep side by side when you're doing the assignment. Then do the assignment looking at these charts. Okay, looking at this chart, do the assignment. That the part A you have a ending sound and combination, and you this chart, then you do the assignment. Then no need to memorize. At least for the when you do the assignment, you will understand how to find this Rafa Nasab status looking at the ending sound or ending combination. Okay, so when you're doing assignment also, the assignment is saying first you understand whether it's sound or combination. So if you say un and in sound, you would say it is sound. And if you say una, ina, ani, aini, aini, or atun, atin, if you hear these things, you write it as combination, then decode whether it is rafa nasab jar. Believe me, that way you will not get confused, inshallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it everyone to easy to understand the Quran, inshallah. Ameen.